Hi, hello everyone. Once again, I'm here, your teacher in Mathematics 5. Today, we will talk about the greatest common factor or the GCF and the least common multiple or LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using continuous division. Factors. What is factors? Factors are numbers we multiply together to get another number. When we find the factors of two or more numbers and found some factors that are the same, they are called common factors among the common factors of the set of numbers. It is called the greatest common factors or the GCF. Example, what is the greatest common factors of 12 and 16? First, find the factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. While 16, the factors of 16 are 2 times 8 and 4 times 4. Then find the common factors. So in this case, the common factors are 2 and 4. So which is greater, 2 or 4? So 4 is the greater common factor or the greatest common factor. Therefore, the GCF of 12 and 16 is 4. We can get a multiple of a number when we multiply it by another number. The list of multiples of a set of numbers are called common multiples. While the least common multiple, or LCM, is simply the smallest common multiple of a number. Example, what is the least common multiple of 4 and 5? So in this case, you are going to find the factors of 4 using listing method. So the factors of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. While 5, its factors are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. So what are their common factors? The common factors of 4 and 5 are 20 and 40. So which is the least? So this time we are going to find the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay, therefore the LCM or the least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. In finding the GCF, we will use continuous division through prime numbers. The GCF is the product of all the prime divisors. To find the GCF of 24 and 32, let us think of a prime divisor. Since 24 and 32 are divisible by 2, so we use it. So we will divide. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. 32 divided by 2 equals 16. So we have now the quotient of 12 and 16. Then this time we are going to think again a prime divisor of 12 and 16, and that is 2. So we will divide again. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So we have now a quotient or the quotient of 6 and 8. So again, we will think of a prime divisor for which is divisible by 6 and 8, and that is 2. So divide again. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So since these numbers are no common factors, so we will stop on it. So these numbers, all numbers at this part, 2, 2, 2, those are the common factors of 24 and 32. Then we will multiply them. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Therefore, the GCF, or the greatest common factors of 12 and 32, is 8. The steps to find the GCF. First, write the numbers horizontally and find the prime numbers that will divide all the numbers if possible. 2. Divide by the prime numbers and write the quotient below the dividends. 3. Continuous process until all the numbers have a common prime divisors. Next, to find the least common multiple, or LCM, we use again the continuous division. Example, find the LCM of 24 and 32. To find the LCM of 24 and 32, let us think of a prime divisor which is divisible by 24 and 32, and that is 2. So let us divide. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. 32 divided by 2 equals 16. So we have now the quotient of 12 and 16. Again, we will think of a prime divisor which is divisible by 12 and 16, and that is 2. So divide again. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So our quotient are 6 and 8. Again, think of prime divisor which is divisible by 6 and 8, and that is 2. Then divide. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So these two numbers have no common prime numbers, but we will use 2 as the divisor of 4. So we will divide 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then we will just bring down 3. So these numbers are all prime. Also this part are all prime. So in LCM, we are going to use all the prime factors of 24 and 32. So that is 2, 2, 2, 2, and we will use also these numbers 3 and 2. And that is the common, factors of, or the prime factors of 24 and 32. So we will multiply them. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 equals 96. Therefore, 96 is the LCM of 24 and 32. Remember, the common factors of two or more numbers are factors of all the given numbers. The greatest common factors, or GCF, of two or more numbers is the largest number that is a factor or divisor of each number. The least common multiple or LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given number or set of numbers. So let us try to find the GCF of 12, 16, and 24. So let us think of a prime divisor which is divisible by 12, 16, and 24. And that is, since these are all even numbers, so we will use 2 as their prime divisor. So let us divide. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Then 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So these are uh, our quotient. 6, 8, and 12. Again, think of prime divisor, which is divisible by 6, 8, and 12. And that is 2. So again, we will divide. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So this now our quotient. Since they have no common factors, so we will stop now. So these numbers are now the common factors of 12, 16, and 24. So we will multiply them. 2 times 2 equals 4. So the GCF of 12, 16, and 24 is 4. Let us find the LCM of the same number, that is 12, 16, and 24. Then, so think of a prime divisor, that is 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So again, the prime factors or prime divisor of 6, 8, and 12 is 2. So then, divide. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So, in this case, we will find the prime factors of 4 and 6, and that is 2. So, we will divide them. 6 divided by 2 equals 2, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And 3 just bring down. Yeah. Okay, so we have the quotient. We have 3, 2, and 3. So, meron pa rin pa tayong prime factors na pwedeng i-divide dito sa 3 and 3. So, let us use 3. So, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So, just bring down 2 because 2 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so in LCM, we will use all the prime factors. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2. We will not use 1. Okay, so those are the prime factors of 12, 16, and 24. So the LCM, we will multiply or the prime factors 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 equals 48. So that is the LCM of 12, 16, and 24. 48. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Bye.